Malaysia is what we are going to say when we get to Malaysia. I started practicing. करना पड़ता है boss. पहली बार लाइफ में इतना बड़ा मौका मिला है. And after the way Anil Chachu's hosted the last 3 minutes, he's done what we might not be able to do in 3 hours, is entertain you, excite you, encourage you, motivate you, and make you realize what potentially IFA is all about, and the coming together of colors along with Wishcraft and all the sponsors and everybody affiliated with this fantastic showcasing of our film industry. What Anil Chachu said, we are all entertainers in our own way. We try and entertain. मेरी IFA के साथ काफी सारी memories है actor बनने के पहले भी थी. I'm getting a chance to host with my Baba Ranveer Singh. इज्जत का फालूदा तो हम वैसे ही कर चुके हैं काफी बार, तो इस बार कुछ बड़ा करेंगे, होपफुली नाम रोशन करेंगे हिंदुस्तान का. But it's been fantastic to be able to be part of IFA on so many occasions, and I've enjoyed it every single time. Today I thought थोड़ा अलग करता हूँ कुछ. आप सबका आशीर्वाद चाहिए, especially since we have all these fantastic actors here with me. I thought मैं थोड़ी सी hosting की practice अभी से शुरू कर लेता हूँ. Why don't you replace Ranveer and be by my side for the time?
How on earth am I ever going to replace
No, he is
Baba?
irreplaceable. मेरा पहला आखिरी and one and only Baba. But I thought I'll invite all my fellow actors on stage, and we'll do a bit of question and answer session rather than me talking unnecessarily.
Done. Who are we starting with?
Who would you like to start with?
Well,
मेरे क्यू कार्ड्स के हिसाब से मुझे जाना चाहिए, just to make sure कि मैं ज़्यादा ना फफलाऊं.
while you do that, I can begin. That's what Baba would do.
So, let's start with somebody who I've grown up admiring. I've agreed that I have a man crush on this person, and he has made Hindustan ki film industry so roshan.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Very happy to be here. It's an honor. It's IFA time again, and we are already rocking, as you can see. That's a good start. Very happy to be here. My love for IFA has been expressed by me many a times. I love you, IFA. I love all the people behind the IFA, Andre, the entire team, all the people who are associated with IFA this time. Congratulations. We are going to have a ball. IFA really is something. Hey, you want to ask me some question? No?
आप अच्छा फ्लो में जा रहे हो, जाइए ना.
नहीं तो पूछ ले. नहीं
तेरे
जवाब जो है वो मेरे ये इसमें स्पीच में.
अच्छा, तो मैं actually पूछना चाहता था, what is your most fondest memory since you've been part of IFA from its inception? What is your fondest and gladdest memory?
अरे, yeah, that moment of that after party. When you know that girl. No, sorry. We should not go there.
Show के अंदर.
अच्छा, show के. IFA really is about the moments. I think just like in life, it's all about taking each moment and creating something magical with it. But what happens with the IFA is that, I'm rocking a bit too much. I want to stand up. What happens in the IFA is that it gets automatic here. You arrive at a place and the magic just begins. And I think the magic moments come from the faces of all our fans and all the people that we get to meet, in such far across places. And it reminds me that, it's such a wonderful world that even though they are so far apart, they are able to connect and touch my heart and my soul. And this would not be possible, if IFA for connecting the world, making the world, a more beautiful place, more connected place, doing that, contributing that to our cinema. I think that's, apart from that, I have a lot of other moments also. But I think the bond that I share with IFA, I think starts because I think we both were born, both were born in the same year. We were both born in 2000. Cinematically, we are the same age. We are what? 15 years old now. So we are like,
नहीं हो 15. You don't look 15 at all.
Don't say such things in front of
He's
Anil. I used to say uncle, but I can't say uncle anymore.
Just imagine.
मतलब के it is not allowed. मतलब 20 साल से जो इंसान, you know, I look up to him, say Anil uncle, I've learned from him. One day I looked at him, I can't call him uncle, man. And he told me that I will last for 40 years. I'm 40 years old now. He looks 39. I'm confused. कि ये क्या हो रहा है? ये कैसे हो रहा है?
Just so you feel better, he calls me Arjun Chachu. That should put into perspective. Just say it again so people know that you actually call me that. What do you call me at home? See, he calls me Chachu, so you can imagine he's aging backwards.
He just wants you to go to the gym a bit more.
Yeah,
That's all.
that's it.
No, as I was saying, Aifa and I are the same age. We are 15 years old now. So we're like into our teens now. You know, we're teenagers. So, you know, and we all know what teens think about all day. You know, not that shy, you corrupted mind. We think about having a good time, and that's what we're going to have in Malaysia. We're going to have the best time ever. I mean, last year was passé, man. We were 14 years old last year. This year we are 15, man. We are rocking time, right? Mind blowing.
आपका आशीर्वाद मिल गया.
What?
You know, the thing is, I'm just staring at you and wondering how you're so good looking. I've forgotten what I wanted to ask you. And this might happen very often during the show also, that we might not be able to continue what we thought of. Speaking about good looking, speaking about people जो है लोगों की दिलों की धड़कन, जो है लड़कियों की दिलों की धड़कन, शहद की तरह स्वीट, जैसे रणवीर सिंह ने फैसला किया इनको बुलाने का, हमारे प्यारे दुलारे सबके प्यारे शाहिद कपूर, यानी कि शाहिद.
बेसिकली तुम लोग हम लोग को ऐसा फील करा, हम लोग इतने बुढ़े हो गए कि हम लोग को रॉकिंग चेयर की जरूरत है, जैसे वो बुढ़े लोग ऐसा बैठते हैं. दिस इज ऑल अ स्ट्रेटजी, बट आई विल कॉल यू चाचू फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ दिस इवेंट. It's really uncomfortable. I think I'll also stand. Very, very happy to be here. Very happy to be a part of IFA one more time. I think everybody has said. I'm performing here after, I think, 4 or 5 years. I've been hosting for the last 2 years, but now we have 2 psychotic people hosting IFA, and I don't think me and Farhan can ever beat that. So I'm sure it's going to be very, very entertaining. And I'm really, really excited to see both of them do whatever it is that they're promising on the promos of colors that they're going to do, because they really need to do it. So wishing them all the best with that, and I hope that they get the world's forgiveness.
Yes.
Arjun and me seem to be sporting similar looks. I'm glad I trimmed my goatee just before I came, otherwise we would have really looked very, very
We are actually jodwa.
weirdly similar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I want to ask you something. I asked him a question.
Yes,
I want to ask you, we all love watching you dance. You love dancing. You love performing. Abhi bhi nervous hote ho when you dance? Tell us honestly. Do you feel that anxiety when you go up on stage?
See, when you once in a while stand next to, sit next to, act next to, talk next to Hrithik Roshan, it just reminds you of the fact that there's a very long way to go as a dancer. And I'm not saying this just for
easy
effect.
way out. Easy
I'm not saying this for effect. Listen, I saw your first film, and I remember, you know, I just bought myself a sports bike and all. No, it wasn't your first film. It was Koi Mil Gaya. That was the film that I saw, and I just debuted and all, and I came on my bike and all that. And I came thinking I'm damn cool and all, I've debuted, man, I'm like in it and all. And I saw the film and I left in a rickshaw. Because I felt so depressed about myself as an actor. So Hrithik is amazingly inspiring, and seriously, seeing him dance is a learning experience every time. The amount of work he puts into his performances is really something to learn from. Everybody, all choreographers always tell me that, you know, the amount of time he rehearses is something they've never seen anybody else do. So there's a lot of effort that goes into what he does, and that's very, very inspiring. So yes, I do get nervous before every time I dance. And this year there's Hrithik Roshan as well, so I'm going to feel even more nervous, and I'm going to be equally excited to watch him perform.
You went on a bike and you came in a